Hi guys, and welcome to FX Market Strategy. We were gonna be doing some analysis live together, guys. We're gonna look at some pairs, see what's going, what's trending, and all that stuff. And the floor is open for you guys. You can just shoot any question in the comment section. You guys are most welcome to ask any question or discuss any pair. Okay. If you guys also do have a good trade you took, hey, Mr. Daniel. You guys, beautiful Australia. Everybody loves Australia. It's such a beautiful place. So you guys, if you do have any question, please just put in the comment section, okay? And we can discuss the market together as we are going. This is mainly educationally, guys, so please, if you're gonna take any decision to make any trade, it's all your decision, okay? Okay guys, so please, if you do have any question, just type it in. Hi Joshua, how's it going? Where from? Okay guys, so first, right here I do have the pound Canadian. I have been selling the pound from here, pound CHF and pound dollar, pound Canadian. I just I can see a divergence right here, guys. Okay, you can see this price. I love this stuff. See, I love this stuff. Okay, so this one is kind of higher, right? And this one is higher. A little bit. But if you get the big picture here, this one is lower. Okay, and you guys know this was the effect of the news. Okay, we've had this sell live together about a week ago or so, right before the news, guys. We've made a live session selling from here with this intersection right there, and that was really nice. Then came the news. It did shoot up like crazy, range a little bit, push a little bit higher, but you can see in the MACD you get a divergence, right? See right here, this price compared to this one, the price is higher, but the MACD is lower. This is the change of price right here, but the MACD is the change of the rate of the price. You guys, this is very important. This is just like speed, and that's acceleration. Acceleration is more accurate. Okay, acceleration is more accurate to make a decision based on. Also, if we talk range wise, that was kind of correction right there. Okay guys, so really it's either gonna come all the way here and break it, and I can see this happening if the pound is gonna get weak and continue down. Okay, so possibly we can get this to continue going down, and you can see also in our trading system this potential will work out to be a good sell. So we did take from this area, which is pretty cool price, I believe. And also in our VSC market scanner is giving a good correlation between the pound and the Canadian. So Canadian is really strong right now. So right here, Japanese yen is really weak, and New Zealand Australian is really weak. Watch out, guys. Japanese yen is safe haven. So really, when you see Japanese yen next to Australian, New Zealand, either to the left side or to the right side, you know there is something wrong in the market. And also the Canadian in the left side. So the market is not straight. Something is wrong in the market. Okay. Oh, Malaysia. Gold, I think, is gonna go up a little bit. Okay. See dollar right here. Watch out. I would be a little bit careful on the gold, because this move in the dollar index, you may get a correction from here. Okay, Like long term, I think the gold is up, but short term, you may get a wave down in the gold. See this dollar, this may bounce back again here. We talked about this one, okay, but this may do kind of a retestant to this area before it comes back down. So this is in the dollar index, guys, okay? So may get something like this. So this wave is gonna send the gold down a little bit first. Then after this, when the dollar index start to come back, hopefully it will make something like this, you know. Then this was gonna make the gold go up, okay? But anyway, you're still in the selling pressure. This is a continuation of a sell. This is the initial sell, and that's a continuation of a sell. But this may do a double top here or retest of this area. Why is this? I can tell you why. Why I believe this could happen. First of all, here, Japanese yen is really weak. Stock market is going up, but at the same time, Australia and New Zealand getting sold off. So really, investors between buying the stock and selling Australia and New Zealand, that's not what you want to say. Bound index, in my opinion, look at this, such a big move. Usually after such a big move, you need a correction or a reversal or something. That's why I decided to kind of take some sells in the bound against some currencies right there. See guys, see where the bound is? After such a big move, usually you want to see a correction or so. CHF may get up move right now. See, even here, intersection right there, okay? Japanese yen, so this means all Japanese yen pairs are going up. But Australian start going back down. Watch out right here. Australian could be under pressure, guys. This is important. Please focus on this one. See right there? Australian, right there, and here. Watch out for this. You may get a big, strong down move in the Australian index. So means Australian, and also in the MACD right there. Okay. So this may start going down. So be careful from the Australian. This can send the Euro Australian up. Okay. Euro Australian could start to be going up now. New Zealand the same thing. You can see start coming down the strong candle right here. See guys, this forecast did work like charm. Okay. Also you see in the MACD acceleration starts going down. So New Zealand right now we can see a strong correction. Okay. Canadian is going up surprisingly a little bit. But if the Australian and New Zealand are gonna continue to come down, then the Canadian need to give it one move down with them before it will go up. Okay. Oil, guys, I'm selling this one. I'm not a buyer. Okay, I'm sell at least here. We need to retest this area. Usually the oil comes down on Friday and comes down fast. Okay, so 60. This is a sell. And you target about 58 level or so. It could go also even lower. Okay, but at least we need to retest this area. But if this is broken, then you have another scenario, guys. You probably want to get out. If this is broken to the upside, you probably want to get out. USD CAD, I would either buy it or stay away from it. But I closed all my cells, to be honest with you. 49,500. Wait, guys, because there is a MACD intersection right there, so we may get some correction here in the Bitcoin. Okay, and this correction can be fast, about 10,000 points or so to here. So watch out of this one. This is not good to buy from here. It's bad. Okay, with the correction. Okay, guys, that was the forecast and the weekly forecast and stuff. We have done this multiple times before. It did work really good. So what we can see right now, that was beautiful. Just a wave down, correctional wave down. So from this level to this level, let's say we're gonna test the between 50 and 60. I'll be happy with these two levels. Okay. So I want to say I'm in a sell of this one. It's a little bit risky to take a sell here, to be honest with you, but I took the risk. Okay. Right here, as long as we don't go above as long as we don't go above here. Okay, hopefully we should be okay. Just a correctional wave down, nothing changing at all, just a correctional wave down. And from this area, if you get the right price action with nice candles to the upside, okay, just holding the 31,400 area, 500 area, I think this will be a good buy to the upside, going even higher, making a new history high, guys. Just right here, 31,800 will be the target, next target, 31. If you guys want to join our signal service, or you guys want to join our trading systems, you guys most welcome to join fxmarketstrategy.com. Also, guys, if you want to join HotForex, there is a link right there on the right side. Mr. Ali, yes, gold can fall a little bit, then after this it can go up. Okay, that's my opinion, at least. Nasdaq, it may continue going up, but really this need a correction, technical. I'm not gonna talk anything fundamental. Technically, this need a correction. This will be a little bit risky, guys, to take a buy from here. I did take a buy from there, I did take the risk, but right now, no. We need to wait, okay? We need to wait. Nasdaq is gonna continuously making history highs all this year till August, okay? August, maybe till July. Why till July? Because I think Mr. Powell, okay, he's gonna talk about tapering, which is reducing the amount of bonds and stuff they are buying to support the economy, so they don't run to such a big inflation in June, July area. Once you start talking about tapering, which is reducing, so the stock market is going to get affected. At that time, the stock market is going to have a little bit of correction, okay, when the dollar is going to get really strong, okay. So we're going to see new highs in the Dow and the Nasdaq and the SPX continuously till that time, okay. He refused to talk about tapering in the last meetings because he doesn't want to shake the markets, okay. He's just pushing it. He wants to get stability, okay. So he's just supporting the economy, right? Price stability, maximum employment. So this is just gonna keep pushing the stock market up and up, making new highs. But that's this channel technically, without looking at anything, that's not an entry to buy, even if it's gonna go up. Okay, guys, just like there, you don't wanna buy here, you don't wanna buy here, you don't wanna buy at the top, you know. So really here, I would get out. Even if you look at this. That was another high right here. I'm just gonna make a different color so you guys can see it. Okay, guys, so I would avoid going to buy Nasdaq at 13,850, even if it's gonna push a little bit higher, even if it's gonna do something like this. See, don't get in this trap. If you're gonna get this or this one, you don't want to be in this buy, okay? You don't want to be in this buy. That's the buy happening right now, so you don't want to be in this trap, in my opinion. So it's risky to buy here. Okay, last week we talked in the weekly forecast, it's continuously going, and I had some buys from the last week. They opened in a gap up. I was very happy. I closed them, so I'm out now. I do have a Dow Jones sell, just one signal. Okay, so if it doesn't work out, I get 200 points or 300 points stop loss. I will take it, but nothing big, not many trades. Okay, so right now this need a correction, in my opinion. It can go up, but technically we need a correction. To what level? right there, about here. Here is fair, 13,500. So be careful from this one. I'm gonna type it here, guys. Possibly also can go 400, okay? So euro yen, it may fall, okay? So be careful from the euro yen also. We may get a down move in the euro Japanese yen. I will not recommend any buy here. So you guys, Australian, it may continue down a little bit here, okay? So we can see a down wave, correction down wave in the Australian, okay? If you want to wait till this wave finish, then take a long position after this end. It will not be too bad. Bound yen, we may get a correction, guys, in the bound Japanese yen. It will be too risky to take any long position the bound now against Japanese yen. Pound dollar also, I would not recommend any buy. It's either you take the risk and take a short position, or you avoid it for now. Taking a buy, it will be a little bit risky. Yes, this could also include New Zealand USD. If the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq are gonna make a correction to the downside, you're gonna see the New Zealand coming down with them. Okay, thanks, man, for the support, for the likes and stuff. Okay, guys, as you can see right here, it's very important to focus on what's going on. When you see Japanese yen is weak, if you see dollar and CHF next to it and weak, and the Australian, New Zealand, Canadian the left side, and our VSA market scanner system, which you guys can download from our from our website. It does have a little bit of cost, not too much. Then the stock market is going up. But what I can see now, they're either the New Zealand and Australian, both of them need to come to the left side, or the Japanese yen need to come to the left side. Those three, they should not stay next to each other. Okay, so Australian, New Zealand, and Japanese yen, three of them staying next to each other, there is something not good. But what you can spot from here is Euro New Zealand. See Euro New Zealand, Euro New Zealand, it's possibly a good buy, or potentially could be a buy, but I would avoid Euro Japanese yen. I would take Euro New Zealand over Euro Japanese yen. So if you guys, we can jump. Potentially this can go up a little bit more, further up, with a correction in the stock market, okay? See this from the previous forecast, guys, and the weekly forecast we said about this wave and coming down. From here, look at the 4 hour, that's 4 hour time frame. You're getting kind of a little bit of cross here in the MACD, and also where the price going down, but the rate of change of the price actually is going up. So potentially what can happen, we can see, it doesn't have to happen, but potentially if the stock market is gonna come down, what we can see here to happen is an up move in the Euro New Zealand. After this, it's gonna come back down, okay? So that's technically what could happen. And also this is a double bottom right here, and this is about like 3 drives to the bottom also, so just keep pushing lower lows. But the rate of change, guys, is not much, so there is no much momentum in the selling. So potentially you can get an up move here about 150 pips or so. You can get to here or a little bit higher, but this, how you can read the chart, what's happening. Is this an area to sell? In my opinion, no. Buy, potentially yes. If the stock market is gonna make a correction, this is gonna go up. If the stock market will continue going up, that's gonna continue going down. Okay, so you just have an idea about the two scenarios, so you can watch the stock market where it's going, and you know how to behave in the Euro New Zealand either side. Okay, so that's what I can see right now. Just a correctional upwave, then a reverse. Why I said a correctional, I didn't say it's a big reverse, because the Euro index, I do expect it to come down. Okay, so I don't think the Euro is gonna get really strong. It's just gonna get a little bit weaker over time. So I don't think a big reverse here, but I can see a correction happening. Yes, I can see a correction happening as a weakness of the New Zealand index. Okay.